Today I am here with my little birthday girl, London. How old are you today?
8.
She's 8 years old, so she had one special request for today.
I want to get Shopkin blind bags.
Shopkin blind bags. We are on the hunt. So we just came to our local grocery store because apparently they have Shopkin blind bags. And she's looking for a specific one. What is it called?
What do you mean?
The one you want.
A unicorn one.
Hi, how's it going?
What's inside?
That's the one you needed, unicorn. Let's get them. Get what you need.
We should get a bag.
Yeah, we should get a bag.
Let's go get one.
So what's the most important thing that you get here? The Shopkins, or is it the chubby puppies, or is it the other thing you showed me down at the bottom?
I feel like it's every single one that I said.
I'm gonna get one thing, and that's it.
No.
Here we go. This one. Sound good?
Yeah, but can we get like a few of those?
You're not happy? I just gave you the whole box. Okay, we'll just get these two then. I thought she would have wanted all of those. That was funny. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Can we get some of these?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
19.
19,
20. You need 20.
20. Is that it? Is that good enough? We're gonna open all these things?
No, that's not all.
What?
There's actual collectibles.
That's 23 things.
Yep.
All of those. That's your birthday present from me and Mama? Okay, happy birthday. All right, birthday girl. Let's see it. Okay, so what do you got?
Scissors.
We need scissors.
That won't work.
No? Got some.
Oh, those are not scissors.
Yeah. Doesn't that work?
That'll work.
Here you go. There's the first one.
Got Ursula.
Does that make you happy? Does that make you have a happy birthday?
Ta-da!
We'll see it. Hey, first one. Looking good.
See what we got.
I hope it's Ursula.
It's so cute! Ta-da!
Ooh, let's see. Number 2.
Which one do you like more?
Oh, no. Probably Ursula. She's from Little Mermaid. That's my favorite Disney princess show. Hatchimals. All right, next up, Hatchimals. Yeah.
So these ones, you have to wait for them to open.
Oh, that's not bad.
But it's super fun though. So they crack if you make it hot. It's starting
What?
to change.
There's a heart on it, and green and pink. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
It's I don't know what that is, but it's really cute. I don't know how to open this. Oh yay! I think I might need a little bit of help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, look at all the things that it could be. Pick me pop surprise. Sweet scented plush inside.
If we get the cotton candy, I'm going to be so happy. I love cotton candy. I really hope this one's cotton candy. Let's see.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Smell this, Dad.
It's like a bird or a
Smell
whale?
it. It's a bird. It's a
Oh,
whale.
it smells so good.
It's a whale and it's watermelon.
All right, next thing we've got the Wild Style box at the Shopkins that she really wants the unicorn one because her birthday is a unicorn birthday.
And cotton candy. Don't forget cotton candy.
Unicorn cotton candy.
Almost done. Got something pink. It's a kitty cat. Aww. It's squishy. It's squishy.
Look at this, it's like a waffle and a shoe with a bow. You're actually happy about this?
Yep, I'm super happy.
Okay.
There we go. I already have this box, but it probably doesn't go with the same thing. So the box is a bunny. And then you open up the bunny, and there's toys inside of it. What is this? It's named Nick Fruit Stick. I got this.
A teapot.
Yeah, and it opens somehow. Okay. Next one is another one of these. Got this one. It's really cute.
Oh.
It scared me. Why is there fuzz in this? What is this?
Shopkin.
It's a weird one.
Green Shopkin with a clock on it.
It is Melon Minutes. This one's cool. I want to see what this is. It is Calista cake.
Calista cake?
Yeah, it's really shiny.
Is that all of them? Let's see. Oh no, we have so many more!
See what I'm gonna
There's so
I wanna do one of
many.
these.
Look at all of those left. How are we gonna open all these? Oh no, she jumped. Oh no, our head fell off! No!
I have a few of these. Oh, and then I love these boxes. They're super cool.
It's a little girl from Brazil, Salvador, Bianca Bahia.
Yeah, they're traveling ones. I got one for Christmas a few years ago. And I have it at the office right now. Got this one. She lives in the United States at Atlanta.
Atlanta!
Her last name is Peach. Her name's Georgia Peach.
Ooh.
I really like her hair. See what's inside this one? I'm guessing I got grape. What is this? Oh, it smells like grape medicine. Smell this, Dad. Smell it.
Ooh, that smells yummy.
What do you mean that's...
I love this little guy.
Hatchimals collectibles. There it is. So remember this color.
2,000 years later.
Turning lighter.
A few moments later.
It's getting more light.
Eventually.
Got it. Oh, it's so cute.
Aww, look at that little guy. His name's Wink.
I think that's his name, maybe. So we only got one of these. They're called Chubby Puppies. First, oh, it's a cute little poodle.
Are you gonna be sad when they're all gone?
No, because I get to bring them home and play with them. I got Sadness. This is what it turns out looking like.
Oh, that's cute. So for people that actually buy these things, what are some ways that you can play with these little guys? 'Cause they're super tiny.
Well, you could get a Shopkins mall. You can put them inside there, or you can use them for playing house, and that's all I really think that you could use it for. If you want to get the unicorn one, you feel if you can feel a horn.
You feel it?
No, but I do feel. Let's see. But it looks kind of like a unicorn. It's so cute. It's like a lion. I got a lion.
Come on, be the one, be the one, be the one.
Cookie! A while ago when I got this one, I said I love Cookie.
It's a cookie and it's squishy.
Yeah, it's one of the squishy ones. See, I want to open up more of these because I really want to get the unicorn. Here's that.
Oh, it's an ice cream sundae guy. I like that one.
See what's the other one is? Strawberry!
Oh.
It's so cute, it's a polar bear! And then the next one is... What is this? I'm gonna look at the list. It's kind of like a bag, right? Maribel music player. Doesn't really look like a music player. Does this look like a music player? This is my last hope. If I don't get it, I'm never going to get one. And I am never going to get the unicorn. I got a cow, but it actually is kind of cute. Ta-da!
Oh, nice blue one.
That was my last one, so I didn't get the unicorn, but that's okay. This one is...
It's like a see-through.
I got a few see-through ones. Okay, now we're opening up this.
Quito, Ecuador. Ella, Ecuador.
And when I get it out, you have to guess where she's from.
Is that on her shirt?
It's a koala.
Ooh, she's from Australia.
How did you?
Oh, she's from Perth, Australia. I've been there. That's where our friends from How Ridiculous live. That's on the other side of Australia. It's far away. It looks like she has some sort of temple on her shirt. Is she from... hold on. Barcelona, Spain.
Switzerland.
Oh, I was way off. There's a lot of traveler ones right there.
They're all travel.
And there's all your shop ones. Oh, here she is, Zurich. Yeah, let's check her out. All of them have oceans and water.
Her name's Zoe.
Oh, it's hatching.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's a little baby elephant. I'm gonna guess that this girl is from Germany. And that look on your face, I think I was right. Munich, Germany? Hi,
That's all?
my name is Nancy Nuremberg. Look at all those people from the different countries. Shopkin heaven over here. Sadness.
I'm squishing
All of
one.
these Shopkins. And then we've got the smelly, yummy, squishy guys.
This isn't a Shopkin, it's a Hatchimal. This isn't a Shopkin, it's a
That's true.
chubby puppy. And just smell this, it's so nasty.
Let's see. Smells good. Thanks for watching London's birthday blind bag special. Was that fun, London? So everybody in the comments below, tell London happy birthday and let us know if you liked seeing her birthday video, because this was what
And make
her
us do
idea
more.
was.
Because I'm probably gonna video my birthday party.
So you want to do more videos on the YouTube channel? Like what? What other stuff would you do?
My birthday party, we could do this again.